Is your controller not working in Death Stranding 2 on the beach on PC? Whether your gamepad is not detected, not responding, or acting weird, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix controller issues quickly and easily. Solution 1. Disable Steam input. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Death Stranding 2 on the beach and select Properties. Now go to the Controller tab on the left. Find Override for Death Stranding 2 on the beach and set it to Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and check if your controller works. If it still doesn't work, go back and set it to Disable Steam Input. Then launch the game again and test it. Solution 2. Configure controller settings in Steam. Open Steam and click on Settings. Go to the Controller section. Click on Pair and Manage, then locate External Gamepad Settings. Here, only enable the options for the controller you're using. If you use an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. You can also try disabling it if enabling didn't work. If you use a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support. Try setting it to not enabled, or enable in games without support. If you use a Switch or generic controller, do the same. Enable or disable accordingly. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if available. Solution 3. Re-enable your controller. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your gamepad/controller. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. Solution 4. Update Controller Driver. In Device Manager, right-click your controller again and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your controller driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. Once you've completed all the steps, launch Death Stranding 2 on the beach and test your controller to see if it's working properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you still have any issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.